Well, I'm standing here in knee-deep water in civil lines in the national capital, one of the most posh areas, and you can see the condition, the appalling conditions. Homes have been inundated. The basements of these homes have been inundated. Vehicles have been submerged. You know, in the basements there have been equipments, TV sets, which have been completely inundated. And since last night there has been a complete power cut. भैया आप बताइए इधर कल रात से ऐसे पानी जमा हुआ है?
दिन से मैम पानी आ रहे हैं, कल से ही पानी आ रहे हैं और अभी तक पानी भर ही रहे हैं, घट नहीं रहा है।
एमसीडी वाले आए हैं पंपर?
अभी कोई भी नहीं आया मैम।
और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी?
ना अभी कोई भी नहीं आया मैम।
कोई भी नहीं?
नहीं,
ये पूरा बेला रोड पूरा वाटर
भरे हुए हैं बेला रोड।
बेला रोड है, यहाँ से बेला रोड से लेके ड्रामा सेंटर तक है, पानी पानी है पूरे में। एक कल से पानी तो नहीं भरा हुआ है,
निकला नहीं अभी
पानी अभी कोई व्यवस्था नहीं है, अभी ना कोई नाव आया है यहाँ पे, कुछ व्यवस्था नहीं है, लाइट भी नहीं है। कल से रात को 12 बजे 2023 जैसे हो रहा है जी।
So you see, this is what the locals here are telling us. This is the condition of civil lines here in the national capital. Let me tell you that there has been power cuts since last night. The roads have been inundated. This is like a deja vu of the 2023 Delhi floods, and it is completely appalling to see, you know, in other parts of Delhi where the relief camps have also been inundated. The makeshift tents where people were, you know, people from the low-lying regions were shifted to these makeshift tents. Those tents have also been inundated because of the water. But what I want to highlight from here in civil lines is that the Municipal Corporation of Delhi has not deployed a pumper here since 2 days. The water has been, you know, completely clogged here, and you know, there is no relief in sight, as you can clearly see. This morning we saw some visuals of vehicles completely submerged in knee-deep water, and there has been a power cut. It is the RWAs, the locals living here, the residents who are paying money and, you know, trying to extract water because since 2 days the water doesn't seem to be receding anytime soon, and it is completely pathetic, the condition here in civil lines. Back to you.
Rajya, also help us understand, you know, you're in the civil lines area. What sort of relief and rescue operations are being undertaken by the administration, and what sort of a traffic problem has this created?
Well, for now, Reet, let me tell you, it is not raining, although IMD has predicted light to moderate rainfall, and therefore the traffic, there is not much traffic disruption right now because, you know, the sun is out, it's not raining, the vehicular movement is smooth. But if we talk about relief operation, rescue and relief operation, of course, over 15,000 people have been shifted to these makeshift tents, and in some of these tents, you know, water has inundated and they have to resort to other areas. Here in civil lines itself, they, you know, people, the residents here, they're planning to move out from here and go stay in someplace else here in Delhi, which is not, you know, as bad as how the status is here. And if we talk about the completely, you know, flood-prone areas, the low-lying regions, be it Mayur Vihar, Okla, Badarpur, you know, Yamuna Bazar, there, of course, people who are staying in makeshift tents, they are being given food and clothing and other relief materials because remember that their lives have been completely thrown out of gear. Their homes are completely submerged. They could barely, you know, take out their belongings, you know, as they rushed out to save their lives. Of course, the authorities are continuously urging everyone to stay away from the Yamuna bank, from the Yamuna river side, because, you know, this is a rare and alarming situation where the Yamuna river has crossed the evacuation mark. It is absolutely dangerous at this point. This has happened back in 2023, and then years ago in 1973. So, of course, this kind of an extreme weather condition we are seeing because of the large amount of water that has been released from Hatni Kund Barrage and Wazira Barrage. Also, because of the extreme weather conditions that are happening across North India. It is climate change that is leading to this kind of, you know, extreme, you know, cloudburst situation, landslide. And here in national capital, where we are reporting from, you can see the aftermath of it. It is is not even raining. It's been 2 days and still we see the entire stretch completely waterlogged. I am reporting from this very pathetic condition in completely knee-deep water. It is absolutely nightmarish to
Right.
even imagine what must the residents living here must be going through. Back.